got the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. All right, let's do it, Dylan. So, we're going to draw a nice little clock face, right? Just like the one that will be on my watch here, okay? Now, in a 12-hour clock, you're going to see lots of numbers like this, okay? Like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all right? There'll be a little dot in the middle. So, to tell you what hour it is, there'll be a small hand. And let's say the small hand points to 2, and the big hand, which is the minutes, points to 12. Alright, so this time says it's 2 o'clock because the small hand is pointing to 2. Alright, so now, can you answer the next one, Dylan, okay? If I move this to 4, what o'clock is it?
4 o'clock.
Obviously, well done. Alright, now, viewers at home, let's see if you can do this one faster than Dylan can. Alright, what about if it was this time?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, did you get that at home? Well done. Alright, now, if we did it a little bit harder and we said it's half past, okay? What that would mean is, say I'll do the hour clock, which is between these two, and then the minutes then goes down to here, right? And if the minutes is on the 6th one, that means it's half past, okay? And what that means is 30 minutes. And to know if it's 30 minutes or not, you can count round. So each of these points equals 5. So let's count up in 5s, okay? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
30.
Very good. So half past. All right, now let's do the 24-hour clock. So what that would look like is that these numbers now change to this. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24. As you can see, the number goes from 13 all the way around to 24, hence why it's called a 24-hour clock. And the equivalent is, so the 13 is the same as 1 o'clock in the 12-hour clock. So this, around the outside, is a 12-hour clock, and on the inside is 24-hour. So if I said to you, what is 1700, so this one, what is that in the 12-hour clock? So what is the equivalent to 1700 in the 12-hour clock?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, really good. Now, let's change it. What if we said 1900, okay? What would that be in the 12-hour clock?
7 o'clock.
Absolutely amazing. Now, I'm not going to draw the hour hand and you're going to tell me what it is in a 12-hour clock. I'm going to say 2200 now. Have you got that at home? 2200. What is that in the 12-hour clock? What's the equivalent of that?
10.
10 o'clock. Really, really well done. Thank you so much for watching this math tutorial today. We'll see you in the next one. Say bye to everyone. Bye!